Where is the UN headquarters located? New York. Where did the East India Company put the first factory in India? Surat, Gujarat. On which river Cuttack is situated? Mahanadi River. Which commission was set up to study center-state relations? Sarkariya Commission. Which is the highest mountain peak in South India? Anamudi, Kerala. Where is the headquarters of the Indian Space Research Organisation? Bangalore. The first battle of Panipat was fought between whom in 1526? Babar and Ibrahim Lodhi. What is the Lahore-Delhi bus service known as? Sadai Border. Who has scored India's first century in Test matches? Lala Amarnath. Where does the sun rise first in India? Arunachal Pradesh. Who wrote the National Anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Mrs. Sucheta Kriplani. Where is the India Gate located? New Delhi. When is the World Environment Day celebrated? June 5th. Which vitamin deficiency does not accumulate a blood clot? Vitamin K. Where is the birth of Mughal Emperor Akbar? Rajput fortress of Amarkot in Rajputana. Which was India's first spoken film? Alamara. Which is the Gulf of India and Sri Lanka? Gulf of Mannar. Who discovered the proton? Rutherford. What is the amount of oxygen in the atmosphere? 21%. Where is the World Bank's headquarters? Washington. Who is called the father of email? Raymond Tomlinson. Who designed the national flag of India? Pingali Venkaiah. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India? The President of India. Which is the biggest bone of human body? Femur, thigh bone.